a lecturer, Department of ICT, Kumudini Welfare Trust, Bharateshwari Homes, Mirzapur, Tangai. Currently, I am enrolled as a Just Scholarship Research student at UEC, the University of Electrocommunication, Tokyo, Japan. My research field is computer vision and image processing. Now in my lab, I am working in GANs for medical image synthesis. By the way, my basic research started with Golam Rabbany sir, who is a lecturer, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Daffodil International University. He was my course teacher, and the course title is Research and Innovations. That time I have submitted my idea, and end of the semester, the research report turned into an international conference. So I am so grateful to Golam Rabbany sir for encouraging me in the research area and published a paper that was my first conference paper. So for the students who are interested in research, reaching out to Golam Rabbany sir, he is a great mentor and will guide you well to explore your research journey. Thank you and best wishes to all of you.